Welcome to Delightful and Delicious. I'm so glad that you're here today. We are going to be making something that I make at least 3 times a month. It's my super easy honey ginger salmon that we bake in the oven in foil packs. So it's super easy cleanup, and you guys know how I love easy cleanup. Now, if you're not already subscribed, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. The ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. All of the directions are going to be on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. And let's go ahead and get started. In a bowl, mix honey, soy sauce, sesame seed oil, sriracha, minced garlic, fresh grated ginger, and black pepper. Mix together well. Now, after you've put together your sauce, we're going to take that and put that over our fish. We're just going to spoon that over the fish. You guys, this smells so good. Now, after we have poured our yummy glaze all over our salmon, we're then just going to take some fresh lemon and squeeze that on top. We're then just going to take each side and wrap this up and make sure that it is sealed. Now, once your packets are all nice and sealed up, we're gonna pop these into a 375-degree preheated oven and let these cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, here we are. Our salmon is all done. Mine is about 1 inch thick, so it took about 12 minutes for it to get done. If your salmon is thicker, then you may wanna go 13 to 14 minutes on it. But don't overcook your salmon. Make sure you check on it. So let's open these and see how these babies look. Look at how beautiful that is. And you know when it's done, when it just flakes like that. You see how it's done all the way through? Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, you guys know me well enough by now that I have already hit this with a little bit of green onion because I love that flavor. Let's go ahead and take a little taste. I love to serve this with just a simple side salad or some green beans or asparagus, just something really, really simple. That's so good, you guys. The fresh ginger, the garlic, the little bit of lemon juice, the honey, you can taste all of those yummy, yummy flavors that have mixed together so very well with this. Now, I'm gonna tell you, this sauce is good on shrimp, it's good on chicken, it's good if you just eat it with a spoon. I mean, this sauce is really, really good. It goes well with a lot of different things, so try it on some other things, you know, outside of this. Be sure that you thumbs up this video, that you are subscribed before you go. Leave me a comment down below because I love to hear from you guys. And remember, the next time you're in the kitchen, you're keeping it delightful and delicious. Bye, guys.